Let's walk through setting up your customer portal permissions. First, open the app from your Shopify dashboard. Next, click on the Settings tab, then go to the Customer Portal tab. In this section, you'll set up key options for your customer subscriptions. Allow customers to pause or resume subscriptions. Choose how to handle cancellations, immediately after a set number of orders or after certain days. Decide if customers can skip their next order. Let them reschedule their next or all upcoming deliveries. Allow them to update the order note when swapping products. And customize the announcement bar title and description. Once everything's set, click Save to apply your changes. And that's it, you're all done.